Hey guys, I was helping a customer on our new HVAC guide last week, and we were kind of going back and forth on a few things. But one of their questions was, they had said, look, I've seen your videos. I know maintenance is a good thing to do, but should I sign up for one of these maintenance programs that a lot of heating and air guys offer? A lot of companies will offer. And so obviously I can't answer that in all situations with every company. Different companies do things different ways, but most good heating and air companies are going to offer some sort of maintenance program. And I'm going to go through six reasons that you should consider joining one of these programs with a good heating and air company if you can find one and get signed up with them. So number one, most companies, when they have these maintenance contracts or maintenance programs, they have it set up to where they will periodically do their tune-ups and they will notify you. So instead of you having to worry about it, instead of when that time rolls around and you're like, shoot, the spring's over, I didn't get it done before the summer, and now I'm getting close to July, and daggone it, now my system's broken down, and I wish I would have gotten that spring tune-up done. A lot of the companies will notify you, hey, it's time to do your tune-ups, and it's peace of mind for most homeowners. They don't have to worry with contacting someone and getting them out. They're already on the list, if you will. Number two, extend the life of your heating and air system. So a lot of heating and air systems that if you're having them maintained properly, the hope and dream is that they will extend the life of that system before it comes time to needing to be replaced. It's just like mileage on a car. If you are getting the oil changed every 3,000, or even these days it's 5,000 or 10,000 miles, if you're doing it like you're supposed to, that car should last longer. You should be able to get more mileage put on that car before it's time to make that big purchase. And that would obviously be the hope and dream with the heating and air system as well. Number three, improve the energy efficiency of that system. So if you're having that system maintained properly, the coils are clean, the air can pass through that system like it's supposed to, like it's new. If the heating and air company is doing their tune-ups properly, they should be making that system as new as possible again, cleaning that system, cleaning the coils so that air can pass through just like it did when it was brand new, and that will hopefully save you energy having that system run as efficiently as possible. Number four, prevent unexpected breakdowns. That scenario I painted a minute ago where you missed the spring tune-up and here it is on a hot July day. If a company is doing proper maintenance to that system, they should be able to at least visually check some components. You start seeing some things like capacitors, for example. They might be getting on their last leg. No one's a psychic, by the way. They're not going to be able to look at that capacitor. They might be able to do readings on it and say, hey, my microfarad readings are getting a little off, but they don't really know if it's going to last 5 more days or 5 more years. No one's a psychic here. If they're getting in there and they're doing proper maintenance to that systems and they're visually checking things like the capacitors, the hope and dream is they would be able to take care of that so you don't have a breakdown on a hot summer day. Now, if they do your maintenance and they recommend replacing it and you don't get it replaced, well, it's not their fault, right? Number five, warranties. A lot of heating and air manufacturers will honor their warranties based on how well the system is maintained. In fact, I remember years ago where a coil had failed and the heating and air company, we happened to be in the supply house when they were returning the coil, and they basically said, look, this coil is super dirty. We're not going to honor this warranty. It's very obvious the homeowner was not having the system maintained like they should. We do not have to honor this warranty. So having that system maintained like you should, you're on that maintenance agreement, having them doing the annual or semi-annual tune-ups, however often they do them, and making sure you're keeping that system maintained. So there were an issue, you would have the warranty be honored by the manufacturer. And in some cases, if there's a labor warranty, have that covered as well by the contractor. And then finally, number six, a lot of these maintenance programs with heating and air companies will have some sort of perks that they only offer to their maintenance customers. Perks like discounts on certain products, discounts on their charges. So if you were to have a service call, I can tell you at Griffin Air, we have several perks like that. Whether customers call us for the plumbing or heating and air side of things, if they're on one of our maintenance agreements, one of our programs, our VIP club or plus club, we are going to offer them discounts that we would not offer to regular customers that just call us out of the blue. We appreciate all of our customers, but it's just a way of saying thanks and another added perk for folks that join that program. I've heard of all kinds of things though. Some companies will offer different types of warranties, and some companies will even throw in like little contests that are only open for people that are on their maintenance program. Little perks like that just to say thank you to their customers, and if you get joined on with one of those companies, you might be privy to some perks that, again, other customers wouldn't. So anyway, are you on a maintenance program with a company and they are offering something that I did not name? I'd love to hear it. Please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.